How to customize Aichat's appearances and settings. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to customize your Aichat's appearances and settings. So to customize Aichat's appearances and settings allow you to tailor the app to your preferences and optimize your messaging experiences as well. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you can start by accessing your profile settings. So for that case, go ahead and log in into your Aichat. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. In order to access your profile, you can go to the gear icon from the top right, and here you can go ahead and edit your profile. So now within the profile setting, you can edit your profile information, including your name, profile picture, status message, and other details as well. And likewise, you can go ahead and customize your theme as well. Now some messaging app offers theme customization option, background fonts, and other visual element. You can look for the theme or appearances settings in the app settings menu to customize the look of your Aichat to your liking. And likewise, you can also adjust the notification settings to control how and when you can receive notification for new messages or other activities. You can usually customize notification sound, vibrant patterns, and notification preferences for individual contact or for preferences as well. And at the same time, you can also review and adjust the app's privacy settings to control and all that in order to control your account. And you can explore the chat settings to customize various aspects of your conversation, such as now text size, message bubbles, and all that. So these are some of the ways you can customize your appearances of Aichat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.